Hello loves, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for dropping by. If you are an OG, I see you. Guys, kindly don't leave without subscribing. It's free because it's free. Yeah. So today we're going to do another DIY, and today we're going to create another another decor using spoon. We're going to create a sunburst mirror wall art. And yeah, all you're going to do is use our glue gun, our spoon and plates, and guys, we're going to glue down these spoons. As you can see, my plate is just a normal plastic plate. It has like a small round surface. It has like a small round shape at the middle. So I prepared and I saw that like a small mirror will fit in there. So what we're going to do, we're going to stick our spoons at the outline of the inner circle, like a small circle. At the end where the outline is, that's where we're going to stick them. And guys, I repeat, be gentle with your glue gun, because guys, this glue comes out moto tena sana. So if you're going to use this glue gun, you have to be gentle. Watch out for watch so don't try burn yourself. Like, chunga isishike vidole cause inachoma my friend. But anyway, we move on regardless. We move on regardless, because we want our walls to look good. We want to do this DIY. We want to, like, make our homes look good. So as you can see, we're gluing down. After doing this, I will recommend that you glue your spoons down following a single line, like following each other, like one spoon after another, one spoon after another. Don't do what I did here, because for me, I separated them first and then I came to fill in later. When you're doing this, if you do this, the same mistake I did, you'll find that some of your spoons will not be on the same level. Like, some of your spoons will not even fit, some will squeeze sana. So what I'll recommend, fuata laini, like one step, one spoon after the other, so that they just align themselves. You don't have large gappings or anything of that sort. Okay, so yeah, we'll just glue them all around. Have as many spoons as you want. You can use both small spoons and large spoons, but for me, guys, yeah, forgive me, because I'm obsessed with these spoons. I'm so obsessed. So just forgive me for having DIYs, same DIYs, spoons over spoon. Every time it's a spoon DIY. But again, it's a new idea every time. The best thing about it, it's just a new idea, and you can use spoons to create so much more, like a lot. I've just realized that you can just take spoons and do a lot with them. And as I said, nothing goes to waste. So today I decided, why not use the entire spoon? No cutting of the tips of the tops, no cutting of the handles. Why not use the entire spoon? Like, and why not create this sunburst? Like, see the way just see the way it's coming to life. Like, you can tell, like, with the more you're adding your spoons, the more it's looking cute and cute and cute. Because I don't feel the vibe of spacing them. Like, you see, when they're spaced, they don't look that nice. But when you bring them together, hey, like, just closer to each other, they just give you that vibe. You see the way it looks like, this is a plastic plate and this is a plastic spoon. But you're not limited to using a plastic plate. You can use the other plates. You can also use the metallic spoons. Like, hey, don't just be limited. You can use the metallic spoons. But for me, because I had so much leftovers of these spoons, party spoons, and because party spoons are plastic spoons, are very cheap. So I thought, why not use this? Why not? Like, why not? Anyway, if you've reached to this point and you haven't even subscribed, guys, it's free. Go back and subscribe. If you haven't watched the other spoon videos, I feel like this should be the last spoon video I do, but no promises, because me and spoons, we are same WhatsApp group. Me and spoons were, so I can't promise that this will be the last one. And I hope you don't get tired, because They're all new ideas. So anyway, as you can see, we're still filling in these spoons. And as I said, you see my gappings, once I start filling in the spoons, because I had done some gapping before, they ain't coming together as much. Like they ain't, you know, it's unlike the way you'll see them connecting, like forming like a pattern, because the when you do one by one next to each other, you know, there's that spacing that my there's a spacing that my spoons have that is not supposed to be there, but because I used I gapped them in the beginning, that's why they look like this. But yo, hey, you can't even tell, you can't even know. Yo, you just create, like, just get to create, like, yo, fill them, yeah. Because for me, I feel like, hey, where these spoons, just see it, just look at that, it's already coming to life. Like, that decor is already coming to life, even without with the, you say yani naeka nikitoa, but again, as I said, we move on regardless. But guys, I love this because it's just turning out to be wow. Wow, like, yo, see, okay, now the other secret, because we said, I realized after fixing the bottom, the tips, I realized that it's still not strong, it's shaking. So I went back to glue down the handles at the edge of the plate. So the final part of the outer circle of the plate, I went back and glued the spoon down, and so that they cannot shake, because the first one, it wasn't that firm, it was shaking, and I realized it can't hold for long. So I just went back and glued down the handles at the edge of the plate, where the plate, that outer circle. So that's what I'm doing here. As you can see, if you're able to glue down all spoons, but you won't be able to glue down sorry, you won't be able to glue down the entire handle, because there's that there's that kadij kakitu kwa katikati ya sahani, yeah. And again, guys, I'm obsessed with spray. It's time to spray. It's time to spray. And voila, voila, honor. I decided to make to use black paint, because I love black paints. And then I decided I won't spray the tops as much. So the effect of spraying the handles up in here closer to the tops made the tops have some small splashes of paints, but not the entire top. That's why my entire top is still white somehow, but with some black to dot or some black, a touch of black, and it looks good. And then I attached, make a small mirror. This camera is from Kihari, you know, that Kihari we use in when you're going to school and your hair is like, yeah, messy, unabeba kahari. Kahari nkaten bob, like this in my mother tongue it's called kihari. So I removed that camera from that kihari. So yes, we attached the camera with our glue gun again. Manze, glue gun is a lifesaver. Like, it's a lifesaver. Glue gun, a lifesaver. Hey, wait, my friend. See? Now see that deco. Now see that deco. See that deco. And now again, if you want to use beads across around your mirror, you can get creative. You can use beads, you can use what else, buttons, just to decorate your mirror. But for me, I just felt like the touch of a white and the glowing black was just enough for me. Now my plate was blue and now it's black, and that decor looks amazing, guys. Like, oh, I'm in love. If you're not feeling this, I don't know, but you can see the gapping. Especially there's some places where there's a gap, at the outer where the tops are, there are some places that looks they have a bigger gap compared to the others. It's because of the mistake that I did, guys. Here we are now, we're doing hooks. If you get the hooks, the normal hooks, good for you. But for me, I improvise. I use what are they called, paper clips. So paper clips, two or three, two looking up and one going across, so that it can be stronger. So you just do paper clips, you hold your paper clip to the plate, add your glue, add your hot glue, and then hold it down until it dries. This thing is strong. Once the glue has dried, this hook is super strong. This is what I've been using because it's a DIY. Why go to an extra mile of buying so much expensive hooks or what? So I thought, why not just improvise with paper clips? So yeah, go for it. Paper clips it is. And whoa, see that see that decoration. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye bye.